Welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video we are going to talk about how to fix screen is flickering on your Steam Deck and how we can fix it. So let's dive into the workaround. So the first step is all about we have to do a simple restart on the Steam Deck. For that we have two methods. Either you can press on the power button and hold for around 3 seconds. We'll be getting an option same like this, or else you can press on this particular icon over there. You can press this and you can do like this and you can navigate to. Once you're done with that, press A button over here to select it, and once after that go for a restart. Once you're done with the restart, check whether you are able to fix the issue or not. This is the first step. If that is not the case, we have to move to the next one. Next one is all about you have to update your Steam OS. For that you just have to press on the same icon over here. Now from here you have to go to settings, press A so that you select it. Now go to system. Now from here navigate to check for update. Click over here so that you will be checked for any kind of update. So right now for many users, those are using the Steam, they are having issue with this particular OS version, that is 3.4.4. so in the coming day we will be uploading another video how to downgrade from the respective OS to the older version on the Steam Deck, which will be updated in the coming days. You have to wait for it. So just update your Steam OS and you can see the differences. Next one is all about you have to try changing the HDMI cable. So I don't know how this is going to work, but this has worked for many of the users. So you have to change the HDMI cable as well. Simultaneously you have to do one more thing, that is all about you have to change the USB Type-C adapter as well. You have to change it. Last and the least one which I would like to make you notice is all about you have to you have to perform a reset on your system, that means on your Steam Deck. For that just click over here. Now from here you have to go to settings, so just select this one. Now from here you have to go over here in the system. Now go to this and keep on scrolling. Now from here if you scroll down, keep on scrolling like this. Now when you navigate to this, over here under advanced you will be getting an option for reset to factory state, where you have to go for factory reset, which will be done. And keep in mind when you do this you will be losing everything on the Steam Deck, so you have to make sure of that. So once you're done with the factory reset, restart your PC on the Steam Deck once again, and most probably by trying these steps the issue regarding flickering should be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do when it comes to how to fix screen flickering issue on Steam Deck. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.